Ito, Sir Jinky, since na-mention niyo na po yun nga, your 20s, since yung audience po talaga ng Trigger is primarily
Around
the
that
young
same age.
people, mga 18 to 35-year-olds, young professionals, ganyan. Ano po ba yung, when you were in your 20s, what would you say was your biggest money mistake?
Nako, getting into something that I do not understand. Yung basta nakikita ka lang, tapos hindi mo alam. Para ka nag-drive ng sasakyan na hindi mo alam. Ano mangyari? Mababangga. That's exactly what happened. That's number one. Second thing that happened to me na money mistake, ang focus ko lang pera. Na-mindset kasi ako nung bata, ng mama ko, sabi ng mama ko, anak, lahat pwede kita, pasok. So mindset ko, konti kita dito, konti kita, para konti kita, pero alam mo nangyari? Konti lugi, konti lugi, konti lugi, grupo, laki lugi. I was a jack of all trades, master of
Master
none.
of none.
So I was turning day into night, night into day. Wala. Pagod lang. Wala namang masyadong kita. Until one day, I found a mentor. Yung mentor ko, yun nga, taught me and told me, panay habol ka ng pera, wala nangyayari. So that's what I realized. The more I pursue money, the more money will run away from me. Sabi niya, you pursue your calling and purpose in life. Kung saan ka magaling, doon ka. So, yun ang ginawa ko. I pursued one thing that I'm really good at, which is sales during that time. And because of, nag-focus ako sa selling, doon ako talagang nag-excel. And then right now, yun, I'm focused naman. Yung ginagawa ko naman ngayon, yung mga personal mistakes, experience, and pain ko, sinishare ko naman sa mga kabataan at sa mga nag-uumpisa. Para ma-avoid na ba nila yung mga mistakes? Diba? And people always say experience is the best teacher. But I share the idea of learning from other people's mistakes and experiences is the best teacher. Diba?
Prevention is better than cure.
Exactly.
Yes.
Hindi, bakit mo pagdadaanan lahat ng pagkakamali? Diba? Like for example, alam mo yung lugar na yan, maraming nang-hold up, delikado. Ba't mo padadaanan yung iskinita na yun? Hindi, gusto ko ma-experience eh.
Para malaman ko talaga.
Diba? Labo mo kausap. So, yun yung parang hugot ko.
So, I think ang masasabi po namin ay pwede po ba namin kayo maging mentor?
Ay, pwede.
Baka Sir Chingy, pwede nyo i-explain din kung ano difference ng coaching and mentorship.
Yan. Una sa spelling. Di ba? Spelling. Tapos, yung mentoring kasi, it's just like yung Karate Kid eh. Transferring of one's technology and expertise to the other person. Wax in, wax out strategy yan eh. Paint up, paint down, di ba? Ano yan eh. Pero yung coaching, di ba, pag nasa laban na, sila nasa laban na, hindi na siya pwedeng, i-mentor. I-guide na lang niya, i-coach na lang niya yun. Di ba? So, ang coaching, it's more of bringing out the best in the person. Pero mentoring is teaching the techniques, the mindset, the strategies. So, I do believe, lahat tayo dapat may mentor tayo sa buhay. Like for example, kayo, artista kayo. Di ba, imagine mo kung walang nagme-mentor sa'yo.
Yeah.
Kanya-kanya lang. Di ba? Hindi maganda rehistro mo. Or if not naman, magiging masyado kang OA sa kasi gusto mo sumapaw, kumuha ka ng eksena. Pero kung may nagme-mentor sa'yo, sabihin sa'yo, masyadong ganun. Medyo off ka, ganun. So at least, di ba, nag-guide ka.